Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Pytorch's Autograd is one of its core features, enabling automatic differentiation for all operations on tensors. This is particularly useful for training neural networks, where we need to compute gradients for optimization algorithms like stochastic gradient descent, SGD. In this tutorial, we'll delve into Autograd, explaining its concepts, usage, and providing code examples. What is Autograd? Autograd is Pytorch's automatic differentiation engine that powers neural networks. It tracks operations on tensors and automatically computes gradients. Key concepts. 1. Tensor, the basic building block in Pytorch, similar to numpy arrays but with additional capabilities, such as GPU support. 2. Gradient, the derivative of a function. In the context of neural networks, gradients are used to update model parameters during training. 3. Computational graph, a directed acyclic graph, DAG, where nodes represent operations and edges represent tensors. Autograd builds this graph dynamically as operations are performed. Setting up Pytorch. Before we begin, ensure you have Pytorch installed. You can install it using pip if you haven't done so. Using Autograd. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Pytorch's Autograd. Step 1. Create tensors. You can create tensors with requires_grad equals true to track all operations on them. Step 2. Perform operations. When you perform operations on these tensors, Pytorch records the operations in the computational graph. Step 3. Backpropagation. To compute gradients, we call .backward on the result tensor. This computes the gradient of the output with respect to all tensors that have requires_grad equals true. Full example, linear regression. Let's implement a simple linear regression model using Pytorch's Autograd. Step 1. Generate synthetic data. Step 2. Define the model. Step 3. Define loss and optimizer. We will use mean squared error, MSE, as the loss function and SGD for optimization. Step 4. Training loop. Step 5. Visualizing results. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored the basics of Pytorch's Autograd functionality, covering how to create tensors, perform operations on them, compute gradients, and apply them in a simple linear regression model. The power of Autograd lies in its ability to build a computational graph dynamically, making it easy to train complex models without manually deriving gradients. Feel free to experiment with different models, loss functions, and optimizers to deepen your understanding.